Welcome to Lesson 6, a square. In this lesson, we are going to have the drone fly in a square. So go ahead, go to your projects, click on Create New Project, click Blank Template, go ahead and remove the initial actor, connect your device, your drone, select the drone you will be using. Go ahead, make sure the drone is connected. Click on the code block, remove the initial code. Click on the project name and rename it to Lesson 6. I'm going to do one additional step for this. I'm going to click back, save. Notice it's a little bit easier now to know what it is. So what is Lesson 6? It's a square. I don't remember what Lesson 5 is. I don't remember what Lesson 4 is. But if you give more of a definition of what it is, you can come back to it anytime without hesitation. We'll click on it, click on the code, and like every program before, we are going to add an on-start and a takeoff. So go ahead, from your control and flow, add an on-start. From the library, add a takeoff. Next, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a stop. So what does stop do again? Let's drag that over and take a look. Stop. Stop stops the parrot drone from moving and puts it into a hover state. So if it's flying forward and it's uncertain as to what location it should be in, it will just stop and pause. Next, we're going to add, and we're going to go in a square backwards. So instead of forward, drag a backward for 1 second. Let's change that to the number 2 so we don't have it going too far out. And then what we're going to do, like we've done before, is we're going to turn by right. And we're going to change that to 90 degrees. So turn right by 90 degrees. Next, looks like we lost our stop. I'm going to come back here, add the stop in, and then the last 3 blocks, the stop, backwards for 2 seconds, turn right by 90 degrees. We are going to do this 3 more times so that we can make a square. So go ahead, drag in a stop, drag in a backwards, two seconds, snap in, that's number 2, stop, backwards, right, 2, snap, and one more time, stop, backwards, 2, and turn right, and snap, and scroll up a little bit. And finally, let's go ahead and add in a land block. So your entire code looks like this, and when you press the play button, it should take off, fly backwards for 2 seconds, turn right, fly backwards for 2 seconds, turn right, and do the same thing until it comes back to its original position, and then it would land. So go ahead, press the play button and run with it. I'm going to click the back button. I'm going to save this. Confirm that my code's been saved by clicking on it again. Click on the code, and there's my complete code.